welcome back to sunny Las Vegas, where the 2024 edition of SAP Spend Connect Live has just come to a close. What a fantastic day it's been. We've heard from SAP's leading lights on how the organization is helping businesses to collaborate strategically, increase productivity, and manage compliance. While customers have also been sharing how SAP's expertise is taking their operations to the next level. This morning, Valerie Blatt, Chief Revenue Officer for SAP Business Network, told us all about SAP's unique approach to innovation.
25, maybe 30 years ago, Ariba really innovated everything that we see today in the spend management space and in the procurement space. And becoming a partner and integrated into SAP has only allowed us to innovate that much faster, become closer to those really critical business processes that our customers talk about in their direct spend supply chains. So it's really exciting to see what we can do with the power of Ariba, the Business Network, and SAP together. I think it is our competitive differentiator, and our customers feel that as well.
We also heard from Natasha Thurman, CMO for SAP Intelligent Spend Business Network, who detailed SAP's latest solutions in the spend management arena.
I think that one of the things that, as I mentioned, that you could hear from and see from us is that we want to be your solution of choice and the foundation of how you do business. But if that looks like you need this solution over here, we need to connect here, that's okay, and we're moving forward. And so I think if you ask me other things that customers should be, like what did I want them to pick up or think about if didn't happen to be here. I think the other thing that they should know is we're continuing to drive innovation like SAP Business AI into the thought of everything that we do with our customers. And we're doing so thinking about not just business AI and use cases to make them up and say we have blah, blah, blah number of AI use cases, but we're doing so in a way that thinks about the data that's needed and how do we get data from one place to another so that you have the critical information to be able to, best leverage business AI, so we can harmonize so that you can have all the information you need to be able to best leverage business AI, or AI in our case, SAP Business AI. That's a forefront thought of our product officers within ISB and our spend management solutions.
Finally, we spoke to Tony Harris, Senior Vice President of SAP Business Network, who gave us his key takeaways from the event.
Business AI, Gen AI, super relevant. I think we have to be realistic about how AI in general is applied. It's got to be meaningful. It's got to be in context of the business challenge that you're looking to address. And again, we're lucky across SAP overall, but certainly in the business network, the AI scenarios we're deploying to our supplier community in this new release are truly value adds. They're really taking the heavy lifting out of some of the activities that our suppliers will need to perform as part of being on SAP Business Network. Things like when they're responding to buyers' leads being posted on the network, for the AI engine to basically write the supplier's response. So it's like the sales response to that offer, Things like enriching catalog content where maybe they haven't quite filled out the complete product description. So again, relieving them of the heavy lift in terms of all of that data collection and that narrative that they've got to fill out. Things like invoice error detection. When they're submitting an invoice to their buyer on the network and maybe they've made a few errors, AI identifying what those errors are, explaining those errors in human language, not an error code, but explaining in natural language what it is and what they've got to do to resolve that, allowing them to get that invoice corrected, submitted onto the network as quickly as possible, ready for payment.
So, just like that, SAP Spend Connect Live 2024 has come to an end. It's been a brilliant couple of days, and you can read plenty more about the event on our websites, Procurement Magazine and Supply Chain Digital.